Hey everyone, practice problems for Tuesday, October 21st. It says use any strategy to solve the problem. So your homework was the even numbers. I'm going to go over one of these odd problems to kind of help you out here. So it says Yolanda's club requires that 80% of the members be present for any vote. If at least 20 members must be present to have a vote, how many members does the club currently have? Well, it says that it requires 80% of the members to be present, and it says if at least 20 members must be present to have a vote, how many does the club have? So knowing that 20 members, and we'll do members and we'll do percent, 20 members must be 80%, because if 80% have to be required and 20 members must be present, obviously the 20 members would be 80%. So we're looking to find what 100% is. So we've been given the part, we need to find the whole, okay? So we know that 20 members is 80%. We're trying to get to 100. So how would we get to 100? Well, we're 20% away. So we could do a couple things. We could divide both of these by 4, and this would give us our 20% and 5 members, and then we could just add them together. So 25 members would be 100%. Some of you may be tempted to divide this by 10, and you would get 8 and 2. But again, we're 20% away, so it would be a little bit more difficult. So going right to that 20% probably makes the most sense. Now, one that you have for homework here, which is number 2, says that action movies make up 25% of Sarah's collection. If she has 16 action DVDs, how many does she have in her entire collection? So they're giving us the part, right? They're giving us the fact that she has 16 DVDs, and that's only 25% of her collection. So we want to find what 100% would be, okay? I think you would probably know what to do there. Okay, let's take a look at what else we have here. Number 4, of the students in the marching band, 55% plan to go to the school dance. If there are 110 students in the marching band that are going to the dance, how many students are in the marching band? So 55% of them are going to the dance. So you have the members and you have the percent, and 110 are going, and that's 55%. We want to get to 100. So probably a good idea to change this maybe to a 5. That's going to help us get to where we need to go, okay? All right, so I think you get the picture here. We've got the part, you're trying to get the whole. You're practicing those. Number 6, very similar. Number 8, the number of 6th grade students accounts for 35% of the total number enrolled in the middle school. There are 245 6th grade students. So again, you're going to set that up with students and percent. And 245 would be 35%. You're looking to get to 100. So like we talked about in class, you're trying to really get to a number that's going to be easy to change to 100. If this ends in a 5, it's a good chance changing it to a 5 is going to be the way you're going to want to go. 245 is 35%. Let's see if we can change that to a 5 and then change that to a 100. Okay? All right, that should be good. I'll see you on Wednesday.